Before we start, let's have first the prayer. Miss Laslie, can you lead the prayer?
Yes, ma'am. Let us pray in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. O God, Almighty, behold us the loving children, offering you today our Christian studies. Help us, dear Lord, to be obedient to our teachers, to guide our opinion, loving our studies, so that you marry us as helps our school, and loving country with us. Amen.
Good morning, class. I'm really glad to see your beautiful and handsome faces.
Good morning, ma'am.
So, now, let's check your attendance. Do we have any absences for today, class?
None.
Very good. So, before we proceed, what should students do while teacher is discussing? Yes, Miss Christine?
Listen carefully, ma'am.
Very good. Another?
Ma'am,
Yes, Mr. Kevin?
sit properly.
Very good. So what should students do when the teacher asks for answer? Yes, Miss Laslie?
Raise your hand and stand up if you have any question or answer.
So very good. So can I expect that from you, class?
Yes, ma'am.
So now we will have an activity. So, all you have to do is to arrange the data in increasing order, which is from the last to greatest. So, you are going to identify what is the corresponding letters of that data. So, you may go in front, all of you. Yes? So, okay, you may sit down. So class, what is the word behind this data?
Philippines.
So very good. So the word behind this data is Philippines. So another activity we have the scrambled words. All you have to do is to unscramble the word and to form a new word. So who will be want to answer this scrambled words? Yes, Mr. Irving. Yes, very good. So, it is measure of central tendency. So, class, did you have fun with the activity?
Yes, ma'am.
So, who could read this word we formed while ago? Yes, Mr. Kevin?
Measure of central tendency.
Okay. Now, from this word class, do you have any idea what
tendency of a statistical data. Find the mean, median, and mode in given set of data. Calculate the measures of central tendency of ungrouped data. Appreciate the significance of the measures of central tendency in associating in a real-life situation.
Yeah, so now, what is measure of central tendency? Yes, measure of central tendency is one of summarizing data by representing a data set using a single value. So it is commonly done by finding the central value of that data set or the typical value. So the most measures of central tendency are the mean, median, and mode. So class, I have a question. Have you ever experienced to compute your grades or you wanted to compare it with your classmates?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Miss Leslie?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, stand up. How will you compute it?
I add all my grades, divide the sum of the number of the grades.
Yes, very good. How about, have you ever experienced to check your classmates' paper in a test and organizing them?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So do you know class that in everyday life experience at school, we encounter the three measure of central tendency?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. So be with me class as I discuss to you about the measures of central tendency. So, the first measure of central tendency is the mean. So, what is the mean? Mean is commonly known as average. So, in your grade school mathematics, it made use of all the data to describe the set of data. So, like for example, we have the data 9, 7, 4, 7, 3. So, all you have to do is to add all the data. So, 9 plus 7 plus 4 plus 7 plus 3 is equal to 30. So, the second step is all you need to do is to divide the sum by the number of data to get the mean. So, all you have to do is to divide the 30 by the number of data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. Next, I have here an example. So, I want you to find the mean of this data. So, who could find the mean of this data? Yes, Miss Christine? Yes, class, is her answer correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So, the mean of the Okay, who could find the median of this data? Is there any median? Is there any median number of this data? Yes, Mr. Kevin? Yes, Miss Lassie.
None, ma'am.
Why?
Because there's no
Middle value. So, in this data, since there is no middle value, all you have to do is to get the two middle value. So, which is the
85,
85 and
87.
85 and
87.
plus 87 divided by 2. So, 172 divided by 2. So, 86. Therefore, our median in this data is 86. Very good. Now, with the same formula, the same example, what is the mean in this data? Yes, Miss Leslie? Is her answer correct, class? Very good. So the median of this data is 265. So do you understand how to find the median, class?
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
there any questions?
None.
Very good. Now let's proceed to the last measure of central tendency, which is the
Mode.
Okay, class, what is mood? So, yes, Miss Leslie, can you read?
Mode or the modal value of a data is the most frequent value or the value that occurs most often. A set with the 12 modals are called by modals, yet if no data value or values occur most frequently, the data have no mode.
Yeah, so we find the value that appears most often or the value that has the highest number of appearance. Like for example, the data is 9, 7, 4, 7, 3. So since 7 appeared twice while the rest of the data appeared once. So therefore our mood is 7. Yes. So with the same example, class, what is the mood in this data? Yes, Miss Christine? Please take your seat, class. So, what is the mean? So, Miss Christine, kindly discuss your answer.
The mean is equals 100 is equal to 195 divided 15 equals 13.
Is it answer correct, class?
Yes.
Very good. How about the median? Mr. Kevin, kindly discuss.
Median equals 13.
Yes, very good. How about the mood?
Mode equals 2.
12 and 13. Why? Miss Leslie, kindly discuss why the mood is 12 and 13.
12 and 13 because the 12 and 13 kaya mo na nagbalik-balik na numbers, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Now, let's have another activity. You are going to work by pairs. So, this group and this group. All you have to do is to compute for the mean, median, and mood. For number 1, this group, and for number 2, this group. So, after that, you are going to discuss your answer in front. Am I clear, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. This is for 2. 1, and this is for 2. I'll give you 5 minutes to answer. Group 1 will be the representative to discuss your answer. Yes, Mr. Kavan? Okay, and start.
Mean equals 70 ay
700.
Mean equals 722 divided 9 equals 80.2 or 80. Median or equal 74, 79, 79, 80, 81, 81, 82, 85. Median equal 81. Mode 74, 79, 79, 80, 81, 81, 82, 85. Mode equals 81.
Now, okay, class, is their answer correct? Yes, ma'am. Okay, let's see. So, you will go to add 80 plus 81, 79, 74 plus 82 plus 81 plus 81 plus 79 plus 85. So, their answer is 722. Divided by the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, 722 divided by 9 is 80.2 or 80. So their answer is correct. How about the median? 1, 2, 3, 4. So their median is 81. How about their mood? The mood of this data? 81. Is it correct? Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, very good. Let's give them a round of applause. The group 1. Very good. How about the group 2? Okay, you may start.
Mean 450 divided 8 equals 56.55. Median 40, 50, 50, 50, 50, 60, 70, 80. 50 plus 2 divided 2 equals 100. Divide 2 equals 50. Mode 4, 50, 50, 50, 60, 70, 80 equals 50.
Okay. Is their answer correct, class? Yes, ma'am. Let's see. So, 60 plus 50 plus 40 plus 50 plus 70 plus 50 plus 50 plus 80 is equal to 450.
450.
Divided by 8, so their answer is 56.25. Yes, correct. How about the median? Since there are two middle value, they add the 50 plus 50 divided by 2. So 50 plus 50, 100 divided by 2 equals 50. Yes, correct. How about the mood?
50.
What number most frequently occur?
50.
Yes, 1, 2. Yes, 50. There are 4 50. 450. So their answer is 50.
450.
Correct. So let's give them a round of applause. Now, class, we have the last activity. So you are going to group as one. So all you have to do is to collect the data from your classmates and ask a questions. So what is the question that you are going to ask?
Ilan yung height? Ay, wait.
39. Medium. Mood. Was 40. Mood was 40. Age 50. 50.
Are you done, class?
Nine. And 16 plus 17. 17. Mood was 50.
Are you done, class? Okay. So who will be the representative to discuss your outlook?
Yes, Louise.
Yes, Miss Lassie. Can start. Morning. Read. 40, 31, 45, 40. 40 plus 31 plus 45 plus 40 is equal to 156 divided by 4 equals 39. The median is 31, 40, 40, 45. Ang central niya is 40 plus 40 equals 80 divided by 2 is equal 40. So ang mod is 40. Kaya mo ang nagbalik-balik. Sa age is 16, 15, 15, 17. Mean 16 plus 15 plus 15 plus 17 is equal 63 divided by 4 equals 15.75. Sa median is 15, 15, 16, 17. Ang naghapon siya ay tunga, so 15 o 16 ang tunga. So, 31 divided by 2 equals 15.5. Ang mode is 15 kaya mao man siya ang nagbalik-balik na numbers. Okay, very good. Let's clap for everyone. So do you understand, class, our discussion for today?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Is there any questions?
None.
Clarification? None. Okay, class, now that you understand our topic for today, so I have a question. So, class, what is the most measure of central tendency? Anyone? Yes, Miss Christine?
The most measure of central tendency are the mean, median, and mood.
Very good. How about where can we apply measure of central tendency in real life situation? Anyone? Yes, Miss Lucky.
Mean, median, and mood is used in everyday life. Kaya ang mean, puntahay basketball. Ang coach coach mag-determine sa average sa performance, tapos ang median kay modern economics, tapos ang mode is sa mga shoes na store, anak.
Yes, very good. Now,